Hello, Earthlings. Welcome back to Deep Space Society. Why do humans search for extraterrestrial life? Is it because we want to prove we're not the only fish in this vast cosmic ocean? But what if the fish we find is actually a monster that eats fish? Hello, Earthlings. Welcome back to Deep Space Society. Recently, scientists announced something shocking about a distant world, K2-18b. If the signals detected there truly come from life, and if that life has developed technology, would it be a blessing for humanity or a disaster? Let's start with how K2-18b was discovered. On April 17, 2025, NASA released new data. It showed strong evidence, with a probability of 99.7%, of biological activity in K2-18b's atmosphere. This planet lies about 124 light-years away, and in its atmosphere, scientists detected chemical compounds that, on Earth, almost always originate from living organisms. Even more shocking, those compounds appear to be 1,000 times more concentrated than on Earth. If these chemicals are biological in origin, then K2-18b may not just host life, it might host an entire thriving ocean of biodiversity. Evidence increasingly suggests K2-18b is a water world, a planet covered by a deep global ocean, hiding active ecosystems beneath its surface. K2-18b was first discovered in 2015 by the Kepler Space Telescope during a survey of over 1,200 exoplanets. It is about 2.6 times the size of Earth and nearly 9 times its mass. Scientists named it K2-18b. In 2017, Spitzer and the HARP spectrometer confirmed it orbits within its star's habitable zone. In 2019, Hubble detected water vapor in its atmosphere. And in 2023, the James Webb Space Telescope entered the story. Webb's sensors detected dimethyl sulfide, DMS, a molecule on Earth produced only by living organisms like plankton. This was the first serious hint of alien life ever detected. To verify it, NASA used different instruments and techniques for repeated observations. Finally, on April 17, 2025, Webb re-observed K2-18b with upgraded instruments. The results were the same. Dimethyl sulfide again. And this time in possibly enormous concentrations, up to 1,000 times more than Earth levels. On Earth, dimethyl sulfide is extremely rare and comes mainly from tiny marine organisms breaking down in the ocean. It evaporates easily, drifting into the atmosphere. It's literally the smell of the sea. Detecting it from 124 light-years away is almost science fiction. K2-18b orbits a red dwarf star, K2-18, at a distance 2.5 times that of Mercury to the Sun, but the star is small, cool, and dim. Because of this delicate balance, K2-18b receives roughly the same amount of energy as Earth does from the Sun. This is why it is considered potentially habitable. Scientists also found no ammonia in its atmosphere, a sign that large oceans may be absorbing it. Yet not all scientists agree. Some suggest K2-18b may be a mini Neptune, a gas world with no solid surface. But the lead researcher, Professor Niku Madhusudan, argues strongly that K2-18b likely has an ocean and life within 1 to 2 years. Scientists expect to know with 100% certainty whether the DMS signal is biological. For now, the probability stands at a record-breaking 99.7%. In scientific statistics, this level of confidence is called 3 sigma. But to be considered absolutely confirmed, it must reach 5 sigma, or 99.9994%, meaning only a 1 in a million chance of being wrong. 124 light-years is impossibly far for today's technology. Humanity can't even leave the solar system yet, but compared to the observable universe, 93 billion light-years across, 124 light-years is a tiny dot. If life exists there, it implies life may exist everywhere. If life exists on K2-18b, it likely began with microorganisms, just like Earth. Microbes adapted to high pressure, hydrogen-rich atmospheres, and heat similar to extremophiles that live near Earth's deep-sea hydrothermal vents. These organisms do not rely on sunlight. They gain energy from chemical reactions. On K2-18b, such reactions might be abundant. But what if life there has evolved into complex, even intelligent creatures? In a dark, deep ocean under a thick atmosphere, vision may be useless. Creatures may navigate using heat detection, vibrations, electrical or magnetic fields. Some may develop bioluminescence, glowing like fireflies or anglerfish. Hydrogen-rich atmospheres offer greater buoyancy, allowing very large organisms to evolve. Imagine massive, slow-moving creatures, jellyfish-like giants or drifting amorphous beings. Some may even float within the atmosphere itself. K2-18b's ocean may be far deeper than Earth's, perhaps 10 to 15 miles deep. Pressure there could reach 1,600 to 2,400 atmospheres. Creatures would need extremely strong bodies, dense shells, polymer armor, or near unbreakable cartilage. Some might resemble armored crustaceans, but far denser and stronger. If these organisms are silicon-based instead of carbon-based, their durability and aggression might exceed anything on Earth, which raises a terrifying question. Would human weapons even work on them? If humans tried to visit K2-18b, we would face crushing gravity, extreme pressure, and unknown ecosystems. Its environment is hostile to us in every possible way, but K2-18b isn't the only promising world. Meet Tegerden b, only 12.5 light-years away, practically our cosmic neighbor. It has a 60% chance of being Earth-like, with temperatures from 0 to 50 degrees Celsius and possibly liquid water, but it's likely tidally locked, one side eternal day, the other eternal night. Life may exist only in the twilight ring, the narrow zone between burning day and frozen night. If intelligent life evolved there and is observing Earth, their visit to us someday may not be peaceful. 2-18, B creatures under 9 times Earth gravity might move like superhumans on Earth. Their armor-like bodies could make them nearly invulnerable. Another promising candidate is Kepler 1649c, located 301 light-years from Earth. Scientists believe it may also have a stable twilight zone where temperatures resemble Earth's. In that narrow band, liquid water could exist, making life at least theoretically possible. Another strong candidate is TOI 700d, about 101 light-years away. Its star does not seem to tidally lock the planet, which means TOI 700d may rotate normally. This greatly increases its chances of having a stable climate. Its surface temperature is around -4 degrees Celsius, cold but within the range where life can exist. Its star is also relatively calm, allowing an atmosphere and oceans to remain stable over time. Beyond habitable worlds, scientists have discovered many exotic planets that seem straight out of science fiction. J1407b, 434 light-years away, has a ring system 200 times larger than Saturn's. If you could stand near it, the ring would fill the entire sky. GJ504b, only 57 light-years away, is a young, glowing pink planet. GJ504b, its unusual color comes from its temperature and chemical composition. Then there is GJ1214b, a world made almost entirely of water. It has no solid surface. Its water exists as a supercritical fluid under extreme pressure. Some planets challenge even our imagination. Kepler-70b, about 650 light-years away, is one of the hottest exoplanets ever found. Its surface temperature reaches 6,650 degrees Celsius, hotter than many stars. WASP-76b, 640 light-years away, permanently presents one side to its star. On the hot side, metals evaporate. On the cooler side, they condense and fall as molten iron rain. PSR-J 1719-1438b orbits a neutron star and is believed to be made largely of crystallized carbon, essentially diamond. WASP-107b is famous for having an extremely low density. It's like a giant marshmallow floating in space. GL581d, only 20 light-years away, remains one of the strongest candidates for potential habitability. Its mass is similar to Earth's, and it lies within the habitable zone. It may also have a twilight zone with stable temperatures and liquid water. Astronomers are also searching for exomoons, moons orbiting planets outside our solar system. Recently, they detected a moon-forming disk around a massive exoplanet, a rare and exciting discovery. The vastness and mystery of the universe go far beyond human imagination. Our exploration has only just begun, from K2-18b's potential biosignatures to bizarre worlds scattered across the galaxy. Every discovery shakes our understanding of reality. Each one expands our idea of what life could be. These distant planets teach us not just about the universe, but about ourselves. The search for life elsewhere is also a search for our origins and our future. Every new world is a new question, and one day we may finally answer the greatest question of all. Are we alone? Whether or not life exists on K2-18b, this journey will continue. Our curiosity will keep driving us forward. Our imagination will keep expanding the boundaries of science, and someday, the universe may reveal an answer far more astonishing than anything we expected.